The other weekend, we loaded up the 4x with our camping gear, and we're headed up to the Sierras to White Rock Lake, which is, it's a 4x trail to get there. And it was epic, We following our maps and going on the dirt roads, had river crossings. We were making our way through the forest when we came to a dead stop. But we've run into a roadblock, a serious roadblock. Bingo. But really it didn't matter because with the tents we could have just camped anywhere. So we kind of did. We found another lake nearby called Meadow Lake.
Right on the water.
And we set up on the edge of the lake, unfolded the tent, got all our gear out, and within minutes we were just chilling by the lake and hanging in the rafts and fishing and swimming, and it was cool. It was awesome to have that flexibility, just to be able to stop anywhere you wanted to stop.
Come on, go!
We wake up high and having a view of the lake, all the windows.
It was cool.
Really
It was
nice.
it was like being in a treehouse. That's what I liked about it.
It's just like sleeping in a treehouse.
So the next morning, we got up and we totally just chilled out. Grabbed my guitar, played some tunes while my buddy was making everybody pancakes and coffee.
Very nice, but it's yummy.
Our whole family loves sleeping in the Tepui tent anywhere we go.